Following his appeal to the United Kingdom Privy Council, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's murder conviction has been overturned by Jamaica's final appellate court. Kartel, born Adidja Palmer, was initially arrested in September 2011 for possession of marijuana. The popular entertainer was later charged with murder relating to the death of Clive "Lizard" Williams. Following a lengthy trial process, Kartel and his co-defendants Kahira Jones, Andre St. John, and dancehall artist Sean Campbell, professionally known as Sean Storm, were convicted of Williams' murder. All four men were later sentenced to life in prison by Judge Lennox Campbell. After their sentencing, Kartel and his co-defendants filed an appeal, maintaining their innocence. However, their convictions were upheld by the Jamaica Court of Appeal in 2020. The summertime DJ and his fellow appellants proceeded to file an appeal in the Privy Council. Due to Kartel's declining health, the appeal was expedited and heard on February 14 and 15 in front of Justices Lord Reed, Lord Lloyd-Jones, Lord Briggs, Lord Burrows, and Lady Simler. The main arguments discussed during the appeal were attempted jury tampering during the trial by now convicted jury member Livingston Kane, Judge Campbell's decision not to dismiss the jury amid allegations of tampering, and telecommunication evidence used in the trial. On Thursday morning, it was announced that the Privy Council decided to quash the convictions, ruling that the case be sent back to Jamaica's Court of Appeal to determine whether they should be retried or acquitted and freed. In a unanimous decision, all 5 judges issued instructions after overturning the murder convictions of the men from 2014. The law lords found substantial jury irregularities, leading them to allow the appeal. While it marks a partial victory for the dancehall star, who had hoped for full exoneration alongside his co-convicts, the ruling acknowledges flaws within the original trial process.